Hello and welcome to latest update. The topic of discussion is Digital Bharat Nidhi. Recently, the Department of Telecommunications notified and brought into effect the first set of rules under the Telecommunications Act 2023, which govern the functioning of the Digital Bharat Nidhi. The DBN was established through the Telecommunications Act 2023, which was passed by Parliament and received the President's assent in December 2023. The DBN replaces the Universal Service Obligation Fund, which was originally established to provide affordable telecom services in remote and rural areas. Now let's talk about transition from USOF to DBN. The rules under the Telecommunications Act 2023 replace sections 523 to 527 of the Indian Telegraph Rules 1951, which previously governed the USOF. Although the new rules have been implemented, they will not override existing arrangements under the USOF until their designated expiry dates. The USOF was given statutory status in December 2003 through amendments to the Indian Telegraph Act, which has now been replaced by the Telecommunications Act 2023. Now let us talk about funding and administration of DBN. Payments received for the DBN will first be credited to the Consolidated Fund of India and then transferred to the DBN by the central government pending parliamentary approval. Funds from the DBN are allocated to provide telecom services in underserved rural, remote and urban areas, support pilot projects, facilitate research and development in telecommunications. The central government will appoint a DBN administrator via gazette notification, and the current USOF administrator will be renamed as the DBN administrator to maintain continuity. Now it's time for the practice question. Who will appoint the DBN administrator? Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Department of Telecommunications, Central Government or Parliament? Give us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.